are going to talk about the conditional. The conditional is a verb tense that is very similar to the future, and we're going to see why. Okay, let's see some examples. Viajaría, viajaría al Amazonas. Viajaría al Amazonas. Me quedaría en un hostal. Me quedaría en un hostal. Vería un oso polar. Iría a la Antártida. Tomaría mate. Tomaría mate. Okay, the conditional tense is the equivalent in Spanish of I would. Okay, it expresses actually wishes, deseos, actions and events that may occur if certain circumstances allow it, but it is not sure. It's more like a wish, like desiring something, but that doesn't mean it's gonna come true. And it depends on other actions to become true. Okay, if I say yo visitaría Argentina, okay, it's more like a wish. I wish I could go to Argentina, which is a beautiful country, but I need free time from work, and I need also money to get there. So it's more like a wish, like something I may do in the future when I have time and when I have money. Right now I don't have it. Now, if I say yo visitaré Argentina en el verano, I have a plan. I probably have money and I already have the time, and it is a real possibility is that I will go to Argentina in the summer. Okay, yo haría muchas cosas para mejorar el ambiente. I would do many things to improve the environment. What things I would do? Reciclaría las botellas plásticas. Yo plantaría muchos árboles. Plantaría muchos árboles. Yo conservaría el agua. Conservaría el agua. Yo recogería basura en las playas. Recogería basura en las playas. Yo protegería las especies en peligro de extinción. Son cosas, there are things that I would like to do, but I haven't done them yet, and I'm not sure I am able to. Okay, how do we conjugate the conditional? Well, it's very similar to the future tense. We use infinitive, just as the future. But what it changes is the endings, okay? Viajar, yo viajaría. Okay, tú viajarías, él viajaría, nosotros viajaríamos, vosotros viajaríais, ellos o ellas, ustedes, viajarían. Now, as in the future, the conditional has irregular verbs that don't follow the rule. Now, what is interesting is that if you know the irregular verbs of the future, you already know the irregular verbs of the conditional because they are the same. Haré, haría, saldré, saldría, vendré, vendría. They are the same. What changes is the ending. The stem is the same. Okay, to summarize the difference between the future and the conditional. Okay, yo iré a Francia means I will go to France. I have a plan, I have the money, I'm ready to go. Okay, probably have even a date in my mind when I will go. If I say yo iría a Francia, it's more like a wish. I would go to France. And it depends if I have the time, if I have the money, if I have the resources. So that's the main difference. The conditional can be also used in the past tense. It is used to talk about an event that is in the future tense in relation to a past event. Let me try to explain to you a little bit. We have this sentence. Creíamos que habría más gente, okay, protestando enfrente de la planta nuclear, okay. We have two sentences, creíamos, and the sentence habría más gente protestando enfrente de la planta nuclear. The whole sentence is in the past tense, but the clause that is in the conditional, the action happened after the action of the sentence in the past tense. So in a way, yes, it is in the future when you consider it related to the previous action in the sentence. Let's look at the second sentence. Nos dijeron, this is past tense, que no contaminarían el agua. That's conditional tense. Now the whole sentence is in the past, but the action of no contaminar el agua is in the future in relation to the first event, nos dijeron. Okay? It simply means it happens after nos dijeron. Okay, when we use deber, the verb deber in the conditional, what it really means is should. Deberías conservar los recursos. You should conserve the resources. Deberías estudiar más. You should study more. And remember when we studied the future and we said that we use the future tense in Spanish to express or show probability. Well, when we're using the past tense and we want to show probability, we use the conditional. ¿A qué hora sería la conferencia? What time will the conference was? I mean, I don't know. I'm making like a guess. ¿Sería a las 4? Would it be at 4? Or was it at 4? You're making a guess in the past tense. You're talking about probabilities in the past tense. In that case, you use the conditional. Okay, let's imagine that we encounter a genie, okay? We encounter a genie and he grants us, he grant us 3 wishes. How would you change these 3 sentences in the conditional? Okay. For example, I would like to travel to Europe, viajar a Europa. Okay. How would you make this sentence in the conditional? Okay. Viajaría. Okay. Viajaría a Europa. Donar dinero a causas ambientales. Okay. Donaría dinero a causas ambientales. Okay. Saber tocar el piano. Okay. Okay. Sabría tocar el piano. Okay, guys, I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, again, feel free to email me, and have a nice week.